back, my friends, to another rousing rendition, a camping rendition, if you will, of Choir Boys Cutlery Outdoors. Listen, I'm going to keep the intro short. There was a time in this country where 22 veterans a day took their own lives. Vets, we love you. That number's going down. You have a place here. But the big thing is, we love you. You're welcome here. We're back to blue over here with Sport Leo for a lot of different reasons. How do we do that, Scab? Well, we're going to break the damn law. And finally, if you're an addict, never quit quitting. So, here's the deal. Quick intro. I know I normally don't do it like this, but instead of narrating the whole thing, I thought I'd do an intro. I'm at Lake Geneva State Forest in South Alabama. I got the campsite set up. I'm going to try to keep this about 7-8 minutes, just kind of show you around the place. From here on in, I'm going to narrate it. I'm going to show you the lake, show you the camping setup, show you starting a fire, all that crap. This is the best thing I got. It's my little fan light thing. The wind is about 100 miles an hour. You can't hear it now from my superior shelter building skills. Y'all pray for me, you hear? Hey, check out this camp. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Lord knows I do. I'll see you on the other side. Let's take a look. I might do a little fishing. Well, thank you, Scab. Now listen, guys. On a lot of these segments, I left the noise in and the volume up. So I did that on purpose. I don't normally do that, but just hear some sounds of nature. There are some clips where I muted it. It was just too windy. But we're not going to talk all the way through this thing, and I know y'all are saying, praise the Lord. Now, here's what I'm going to do. Either this afternoon or tomorrow, I'm going to get an interview in with Blackie Thomas. There's the old Crown Vic. You know some serious camping's coming, son, when a Crown Vic pulls up, like the drug dealer pulled up. This is Lake Geneva State Forest. I believe I already said that, but man, this place is beautiful. Now, this is right outside my tent, right here. I'm literally lined up with that dock. That was kind of a dumbass thing, I'll say that, because when the wind swapped, it about blew my tent across the campsite. I got up. I may or may have not have said a few profanities. Kneecap myself going across the picnic table, clothesline myself going under the clothesline. But, you know, all in all, I survived. A lesser reviewer, I've said this many, many times, a lesser reviewer probably just packed up and went home. Not old Scabber, no sir. You can't fix stupid. But what do you do? Now, right here, this is some Florida Fatwood using the Nomad EDC. Zeke Manacho, my guy, brother from another mother. Dude, awesome knife. Listen, I came here to get away a little bit, to reset a little bit. Now, I miss Megan something fierce. That's a fact. Me and Megatron are running buddies, and I love her. She's my best friend, not just my wife. But I come here to reset, get some thoughts. I talked to Blackie last night till probably 12:30 in the morning. A couple of us. Dude's a wealth of knowledge. Can't wait to get that interview in. But here's the thing, guys. I wanted to reset. I wanted to take a step back. I wanted to pick a direction that we're going to go. Now, we're always doing blades. We're always going to do our stuff. That's not really what I'm saying. I just needed to get my thoughts together. And I'm telling y'all, in just a day, I feel like a new man, super pumped up. Now, before we get into all that, let me give you a few shout outs. Carl Ruger is marching to 1,000. Let's get him there, man. That's a big milestone. Eric Hussein, awesome dude, marching to 1,000. Let's get him there. My brother from another mother, Joseph, steel forged and fire, sword and knife. Listen, dude is awesome, and I love the dude. And then Blade Talk with Scab and Joe. Now, that's just a phenomenal channel. It's my other channel. Listen, we've got 3 guys lined up that it's going to be home runs. I'm just ecstatic. And I asked Blackie last night. Blackie would like to come on. So there's 4 guys in the near future on Blade Talk. So please go over to my other channel, subscribe. The last one, my buddy, my friend, my brother, Donnie B all day. D-Bad is marching to 10,000, man. Let's get behind that dude. Great guy, great friend. Love him seriously like a brother. So those are my shout outs. Now, obviously, I sped this part up. we do knives and stuff every day. Arrow Scab Bassmaster bowling out here. Yes, that is a floaty on my fishing pole. That's because I've lost 1,000 of the damn things, and Megan got tired of rebuying them. And I dropped this one in the water. I didn't show it, but sometimes it can be debated. There's a big difference in dropping and throwing. You know what I'm saying? Right here, Lake Geneva, there's bass, there's catfish, and there's brim. And so when I got done fishing, there's still bass, catfish, and brim. Because about the only thing old Scab did was beat the water to a froth. I can tell you that. But I had a couple bites this morning. Beautiful lake, man. Just let's watch a little bit of this and I'll shut up for a minute. And all God's people said, amen. That form, son. Man's just killing it. If I was a fish, I'd be scared too with them kind of skills. Now, here's the deal. This water is super clear. I wish I could get some good shots of it. Next year when I come, Megatron's coming, I believe we're going to bring the kayak and just get out there on it, maybe add some stuff. But man, what a beautiful, beautiful lake. Again, this is Geneva State Forest Lake, or Geneva Lake State Forest. I honestly, I don't know what the hell it is. It's those four things: Geneva State Lake Forest, in some order. It's in South Alabama. And I said that no one knows about because it's just kind of tucked away. It's between Opp and Sampson, way out in the middle of nowhere. Gorgeous, gorgeous property, man. I really, really love this place. I actually did a good bit of fishing. Now, wasn't long after this shot, I kind of walked over and joined Blackie, and we made some stuff out of paracord, picked up some. The guy's just a wealth of knowledge. Made something I've been wanting to do, a paracord donut, which I'll probably do a video on it down the road, and just talked and just listened. And what a great, great evening. Now, last night, if I'm being honest, like I said, had a little mishap with the thing. So this morning I got up about 5:45, 6 o'clock, got the tent or the shelter back in the fold like you're supposed to. And here's the thing now. Here's the thing. I was starting to get mad and I thought, no, you know what? I come here to learn. I made a bunch of mistakes. But I was able to correct them and got a decent night's sleep. I really did. If y'all got any recommendations though on a mat for your cot or a sleeping pad, let me know in the description, please. Just something, that's the only thing. Well, I'm missing a lot of stuff and I'm making notes. I'm really trying to take this serious because this is like a once in a lifetime. Guys, if y'all don't watch Blackie Thomas's channel, I'm telling you right now, you're missing out. I'll put a link in the description below. And here we're getting ready to start our fire. Starting a fire, one thing that I did do, and I'm proud of, is throughout this thing, I started a fire yesterday afternoon, and I have ran the same fire ever since. I banked it last night. There's the proper chopper. I banked my fire last night a little bit, put a couple logs on, but basically just put me a green log on, kind of banked it till this morning. Got up, got it going. And pretty easily, actually. Got it going, got breakfast cooked, which I'll show y'all here in a little bit. Chatted with some of the folks. These are some of the finest folks in the world. There I'm building a fire. It looks like to burn down the damn Empire State Building. Now, here's that dock. And there's my floaty on the fishing pole. What a gorgeous, gorgeous sunrise this morning, man. This camera doesn't do it justice, but just the absolute. Arrow Scab looking good, saying something, ain't nobody knows what the hell he's talking about. You got to forgive him. Now, again, guys, on some of this, I know the audio quality is going to be a little because of the wind, and I ask that you forgive me for that, but I wanted to do it this way so y'all could hear some of the different sounds and just do a little different thing. This right here, this was probably 6 in the morning. this morning. It was nice, cool, comfortable. Now tonight I believe it's going to be in the 40s, but we are all good. Well, guys, listen. Got about a minute left. I know this is a little different for us, and if you're a camping enthusiast, I know that this one probably wasn't that great, but we're learning and we're trying to move forward. Not only learning camping, but learning how to film it, learning how to do the stuff. When I say I'm a novice at best, that ain't fake humility. And you're like, we know that, Scab. Now, here's the deal. I cooked me a little soup this morning, got it going, had me a little trail mix, got my campsite cleaned up, got my shelter reinforced. I'm about to walk over and have a conversation with everybody. Everybody's grouped up at the main tent. Oh, look at that old Scab, whipped up quick soup there. Sounds like a damn chef. All right, my guy Mikey, whom I love dearly, says it best. Never give up, never surrender, and everything will be okay. Guys, I love y'all. God knows I do. God bless y'all. I hope he does. From Lake Geneva State Forest, I'm Scab. You're not. And I'm gone, son. Let's go do some bushcrafty type stuff. I stopped the damn thing 9 seconds too early. All right, whistle while you work. Love y'all. I'm out.